Every person has the right to property. Every person has a right to live, because we are being told under Article 26, life is sacred, Mr. Speaker, sir, unless deprived under the law. What is happening in Marsabit and other regions in this country is senseless killing. It's lawlessness, it's anarchy. And Mr. Speaker, the earlier it is being addressed, it will continue to sabotage the growth of the country in terms of economy and the unity of the country, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, and many people, it is sad to note in Marsabit and other regions that we have IDPs, Mr. Speaker. People who have been displaced because of these senseless killings. Mr. Speaker, you are giving them hopelessness, such people. We want to hold on to the words of President William Ruto that he has assured the country that he is going to ensure that the issue of banditry, lawlessness. Mr. Speaker, as my brothers have said, and I'm bringing a bill, and I hope colleagues will come and add their thoughts on that. The anti-stock theft bill, Mr. Speaker, against the theft of livestock and produce that I have published, Mr. Speaker, in this House. That it is no longer about cultural. People no longer go and steal to go and marry for that dowry, Mr. Speaker. Thou kill as a part of criminal enterprise. Mr. Speaker, with those many remarks, I thank you and support this motion.